Hey everybody, this is James Bishop, the Ding Guy. We're coming to you today from beautiful Colorado Springs, Colorado, and we're doing a series of videos to help educate our customers to make you better informed when you're making decisions about getting repairs done on your car. Something that's very dear to our heart is educating our customers so that you can make good decisions when things come up. So hopefully these videos will help. This video is about deductibles. What is an insurance deductible? How does insurance deductibles work? Well, an insurance deductible is something that you commit to your insurance company to pay a portion of the claim on something that goes wrong. So most insurance companies these days give us all across the board $1,000 deductibles. When you have a new car and you finance that new car, you're obligated by law to carry full coverage insurance on it. We're all obligated by law to drive with insurance these days. So if you have full coverage insurance on your car, you have two different deductibles. You have two different policies. One is a collision and one is a comprehensive policy. So when you have two policies, you can have two different deductibles. Remember that. Two different deductibles are something to think about because on the collision side of your insurance policy, that covers you in an accident with someone else when you're actually driving the car. So when you're driving your car, you hit someone, they hit you, that's the collision activated side of your insurance. We only need that on average a little over every 7 years. The comprehensive side of your insurance is used way more often than the collision side, a 100-500. So 100 for comprehensive, 500 for collision. The best way I've found to explain what a deductible is if you have health insurance and you go to the doctor, almost everyone's going to have a copay. So you have a $25 copay, a $50 copay, even on prescriptions, the same type of thing. It's usually a copay situation, which is what you're responsible to pay, your part. That is exactly all a deductible is. It's what you've committed to pay for as the portion of the repair. So you're responsible for paying the person who does the repair your deductible. So educate yourself to know what product you purchased, what the coverages are on your policies, and how long your rental car company is going to cover your insurance through your insurance company's agreement with them. Something to be very aware of. So that's what an insurance deductible is it's your part of the bill to pay. If you have any questions on your insurance claims or insurance policies and just need somebody to go over it with you, we love to educate our customers, and we don't have contracts with insurance companies in the repair processes that we do. So please feel free to reach out. You can find us at thedingguy.com on the web or 1-800-DING-GUY, that's 1-800-346-4489. Or you can call us at 719-632-4321, and we're here to help. So give us a call. Anywhere in El Paso County, Teller County. We're down on Platte Avenue, just across from Fargo's Pizza. We're real easy to find. So we'll look forward to seeing you. We keep the coffee hot. We always got sodas in the fridge. So come on by. Let's have a conversation. We'll help you understand how to make your claims process go smooth.